Vertical takeoff and landing hover bikes are a particular kind of personal aircraft that can take off and land vertically without a runway or a launch pad. These vehicles typically lift off the ground using strong electric motors or gas turbines and then use that energy to move forward while retaining stability and control with the aid of sensors and computer systems. At number 9, we have Malloy Aeronautics. Malloy Aeronautics is a UK-based company that specializes in developing and manufacturing small unarmed aerial vehicles or UAVs for military, industrial, and commercial applications. One of their most notable products is the hover bike, which is a single-seat electric-powered vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The hover bike is essentially a hybrid between a motorcycle and a helicopter, and it has two large motors mounted on either side of the aircraft, which are powered by electric motors. The rotors are counter-rotating, which helps to provide stability and lift. The aircraft is controlled using a joystick, and it can be flown manually or autonomously using GPS navigation. It has a range of up to 120 km and a top speed of 96 km per hour, and it can also carry a payload of up to 130 kgs. Milo Aeronautics has been working with various organizations to develop and test the technology, and they have received interest from both military and civilian customers. At number 8, we have Volocopter 2X. The Volocopter 2X is a German two-seat optionally piloted multi-rotor VTOL aircraft. Yeah? The personal air vehicle was designed and produced by Volocopter and first introduced at the Aero Show in 2017. The aircraft is sold complete and ready to fly. The Volocopter 2X is fully electric and designed for short-range urban transportation. It has two seats with 18 rotors and a maximum takeoff weight of 450 kgs, making it capable of carrying a pilot and one passenger up to a distance of 35 kilometers. The 2X is equipped with a fly-by-wire system and a range of sensors, including cameras and radar that provide the vehicle with advanced situational awareness and autonomous capabilities. It can reach a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour and can fly for approximately 30 minutes on a single charge. Volocopter has conducted successful test flights of the 2X in a variety of settings, including urban environments, and has received certification from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency for commercial operations. The price is upon request. At number 7, we have Vertical Aerospace VAX4 or VX4. The VX4 is a piloted zero-emission electric vehicle, and the VX4 is capable of traveling over 200 miles per hour or 320 kilometers per hour with a range of 100 miles or 160.9 kilometers and a capacity of 4 passengers and a pilot. The proposed aircraft is intended to operate in and out of cities and other confined locations. It is powered by 4 electric motors and a battery system that can be recharged in under an hour using standard charging infrastructure. Vertical Aerospace is working to obtain certification for the VAX4 from regulatory agencies, including the European Union Aviation Safety Agency and the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) in the United States. The company is also partnering with major airlines and other transportation companies to develop a network of urban air mobility services using the VAX4 and other VTOL aircraft. The VX4 is claimed to be 100 times quieter and safer than a helicopter. At number 6, we have the Workhorse Surefly. The Workhorse Surefly is a personal aircraft designed for short flights and vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. It features a hybrid electric propulsion system with 8 independent motors and propellers that allow it to hover and take off and land like a helicopter, but with added safety and efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft. The Surefly can carry up to 2 passengers and has a maximum range of approximately 70 miles with a top speed of 70 miles per hour. It also features a ballistic parachute system for emergency landings and advanced avionics and flight controls to ensure safe and reliable operations. Workhorse, the company behind the Surefly, has received certification from the FAA to begin testing the aircraft in the United States and has also partnered with Moog ENC to develop a next generation flight control system for the vehicle. Targeting a price of $200,000, it can lift 400 lb or 180 kg payload, and which includes a ballistic parachute. At number 5, we have SkyDrive SD03. The Japanese business SkyDrive ENC created the SkyDrive SD03, a prototype electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, which has a single seat and that provides the lift and control using 4 pairs of rotors. It has a range of up to 20 to 30 minutes and a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour. The aircraft is equipped with safety features such as backup batteries, rotors and flight controllers, which allow for safe emergency landings in case of technical malfunctions. The development of the SD03 began in 2012 and the prototype was first tested in August 2020. The company plans to continue testing the aircraft and aims to obtain regulatory certification by the end of 2023. The SD03 VTOL demonstrator aircraft is SkyDrive's answer to urban air mobility in densely populated cities around the world, and the company has designed this aircraft as an on-demand air taxi booked using your cell phone. After booking a flight, the SD03 would safely and autonomously fly passengers to their destination. At number 4, we have the Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is a single-seat, kit-built VTOL vehicle with 8 sets of electric motors and rotors. It has an open chassis design and has been developed under Part 103 sports flight rules that do not require operators to have a pilot's license. The Swedish company was founded in November 2017 by high-performance car entrepreneur Peter Schrenstrom and drone specialist Thomas Patang. Its aim has been to start production of the single-seat model before the end of 2022, but this was pushed back into 2023 after the startup decided to further refine the design. These include features such as waterproofing the cockpit controls and developing a ballistic safety parachute. Another key changes is that the company now intends to deliver the aircraft fully assembled rather than as a kit-built package for owners to put together. The aircraft is being produced under the FAA Part 103 rules, and as such, owners do not require the pilot license, of course. In September 2022, the company reported that it had collected 500 down payments of $22,000 for the $92,000 vehicle. Yeah. At number 3, we have EHang 216. Chinese technology company EHang created the EHang 216. It is a 2-person autonomous aircraft that generates lift and control using 16 electric motors and propellers. It has a range of up to 35 kilometers or 22 miles and a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour or 80 miles per hour. The aircraft is equipped with 4G, 5G network connection and is capable of autonomous flights, although it can also be flown manually. EHang has been testing the 216 since 2016, and it has undergone extensive testing and certification in China and Europe. At number 2, we have Hoover Surf Scorpion 3. The Russian company Hoversaf created the Hoversaf Scorpion 3, a single-seat hover bike. It is an eVTOL aircraft, which means that the lifts and controls are powered by 4 propellers. The Scorpion 3 is designed to be compact and maneuverable personal aircraft that has a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour and a flight time of up to 25 minutes. The aircraft is equipped with safety features such as an emergency landing system and a protective cage around the rider. The Scorpion 3 was first introduced as a prototype in 2016 and has since undergone several upgrades, including improvements of the body and other parts. The company has also developed a commercial version of the aircraft called the Scorpion 3S, which is designed for industrial and military applications such as border patrol and search and rescue. At number 1, we have the Blackfly by Opener. The Opener Blackfly is an American electric-powered personal air vehicle designed by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang. It was publicly revealed in 2018 after 9 years of development. The aircraft is intended to be supplied complete and ready to fly, and Opener are in the process of starting production at their Palo Alto, California site. It has a range of up to 40 kilometers per hour or 25 miles and a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour. The aircraft is equipped with safety features such as a ballistic parachute system. Open has been developing and testing the Blackfly since 2009, and the aircraft has undergone extensive testing and certification by the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States and Transport Canada. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and in order to guarantee that you never miss a video, don't forget to click the notification bell. Until the next video, take care.